Hello and welcome to another tutorial for MIDI FX, and today I wanted to show the note filter. So I'm going to add the piano first, the keyboard. I'm going to use the internal piano, and here it is. And it has a feature where you can change the pressure by touching it in different parts of the key. So this is the keyboard. And now I'm going to add the note filter and connect the keyboard. It has two exits and we're going to use two sounds from my digitone. So let's add two outputs. Two outputs, and let's choose sound 2 and sound 3. Okay, so here we can change the note filter. We can change the parameter. So we have velocity, we have note, we have a random, and in this case we're going to choose velocity. So if the velocity is less than, for example, 60, it's going to go out to synthesizer 2, and if it's less, if it's bigger, it goes to out 3. So let's hear it. Okay, so let's imagine that we don't want just to switch from one sound to another. Maybe we want to add the, the second sound. When it's bigger, we want to add this sound, but we want to still hear the other one. So in that case, what we're going to do is split the signal and connect it through the splitter. And then merge the signals back. So this is a way of creating a new sound, combining two sounds. And of course, there is much more you can do. For example, you could add to the, depending on how you want the volume to affect the resulting sound, you could add, for example, a compressor. So like this, you can control the volume of the second sound. Or we could just make it less aggressive. So, for example, if we want to use another sound, let's choose the first one, which is a bass. Wait, this is higher. Let's go a bit lower. Not so low. And like this, you can combine different sounds. So this is the note filter. You can also use this to, for example, if we put note and any note less than the D5 is going to be a bass. And if we go higher, it's going to be our other sound. So if you have a big keyboard, you can divide it in as many parts as you want. And using the transpose module, you can also, after dividing the keyboard, you can adjust the octave. So you can have 5 parts of the keyboard, but all 5 output the same range of notes, only to different instruments. So this is a little bit how the note filter works. I hope you like it, and download the application. Send me an email if you have any suggestions, questions, or problems that you have using the app. And I'm always trying to make it better. I'm developing new features, and well, hope you like it. Bye.